Hi, this is Rüzgar and I'm the founder of LeadShark. And today I want to just show you how the system works, how to navigate it, how to create your first lead magnet automation, and overall, what is the purpose of this platform. Since the last couple of months, it has gained a lot of new functionality that makes it a bit confusing for some people as well. So I just want to quickly clarify how to use LeadShark, how to create a lead magnet using LeadShark, and what are some additional functionalities besides automating your LinkedIn lead magnet posts. So without further ado, I want to start by showing you the settings page because this is where you will need to download our browser extension and connect your LinkedIn account to LeadShark. We do this in a very secure way, simply by taking your LinkedIn session cookies. And the reason why we do this is because it's more safe than asking your LinkedIn password per se. So after you connect your LinkedIn account, the first thing I would do is go to my posts if I want to automate one of my most recent posts. So in the post section, we can pull all of our posts from LinkedIn. And here I'm seeing my last 3 posts actually. And I can basically select any one of these posts if I have not automated it to pick and automate this post. So let's look at an example here. And once I select the post that I want to automate, it sends me back to the automations page where I will enter some details, such as name for the lead magnet. So for now, it could be test lead magnet. And the LinkedIn URL is the post that I'm trying to automate. I cannot change this here. It's just showing you what post you are automating. The keyword is what you have asked for the people to comment on your post. So here it could be, let's say, AI. It's not sensitive to uppercase or lowercase. And the way I actually saved the keyword is by hitting the enter key here actually. So it could be AI, artificial, oops, etc. So you could have multiple keywords, or if you leave this field empty, the system actually just basically looks at every single comment and it tries to respond to every single comment. The DM template is what we send to the people who commented the keyword. So hi, John, here, oops, here is the resource for AI automation templates, and I can insert a link to my Notion page or link to a YouTube video or a PDF here. So be notion.so slash leadshark, etc. So, and I would try to end this part with a question actually, because usually it's good to get an answer from the people as well. So I would say, are you planning to use this workflow, or how are you planning to use this workflow, let's say, in your business, etc. So this is the DM template that we send to the people as a direct message on LinkedIn. The reply template is what we reply to the comment of the person right after we send a DM to the person. So here I would say send, hit enter to save it, DM, send, check your inbox, etc. And I can enter multiple reply templates and the system will pick one at random actually. And reply templates for non-connections. This is actually a pro or Apex feature within LeadShark. What this is basically we cannot send a DM to people we are not connected to on LinkedIn. We can only send email maybe. But this template, I would say, please connect with me so I can send you the DM, etc. So this can also have multiple templates. Please accept my request, or connect with me on LinkedIn so I can send, etc. So this one actually triggers people to accept your connection request or send you a connection request if they're not connected with you already. And the auto connect is an interesting feature. I will explain it in more detail as well. It accepts incoming connection requests automatically from people who have sent us a connection request, or it can send out outgoing connection requests to the people who comment the keyword as well. So And the limits for this is actually set in your general settings. If you set those outgoing connection requests to 0, the system will only accept incoming connection requests if you have this toggle on. I hope that makes sense. And moving on, the partially engaged feature, it's also a bit confusing maybe at first, but what it does is it actually looks at whether there's a reply to the comment of the person, and whether if they have or you have replied to your comment saying sent, saying DM'd already, the system does not engage with this comment at all. So this is an edge case maybe, or it's used by people who have an automation that they already responded to, let's say, some of the people who commented, maybe half of the people, and then they want the system to only respond if they have not replied to their comments manually. And I will turn this on usually, off, sorry. So enable follow-up DM, we can send a follow-up to our initial DM anywhere between half an hour to up to 3 days. And I don't know why we don't have days here, but we can send 72 hours if you want to send it 3 days later. We can also have it 1 hour later, 1 hour later, to see if they have checked our message, checked our template. This actually helps us engage further with the people. So let me turn this also off for now and launch the automation. That's pretty much it. So it actually takes maybe 1 or 2 minutes to automate a post on LeadShark, and the system will pick up this post anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes later, and it will start engaging every 10-15 minutes with those people who comment on your post, and it keeps going indefinitely. It can keep engaging days, weeks later as well. So it's very helpful, and also you can see in the automated post section how many comments the system has processed, how many DMs it sent, how many replies it sent, how many non-connection or second degree people replies it sent, how many connection requests we sent, and how many connection requests we have accepted as well. And here you see if you have the follow-up enabled, how many follow-up messages is sent as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you can edit your automation at any time, edit any of the DM reply templates, or pause it at any time as well. That is, in a nutshell, how to create an automation using LeadShark. I hope this video was helpful, and see you in the next tutorial.